Alright, so I got my car this morning, and it's hot, and it would start. Not sure what's wrong. I tried to jump it, and I got plenty of gas, and I'm not exactly sure what's wrong, so I'm going to start it, or try to start it, and then maybe someone can figure it out for me. So that's what it does. I don't know, maybe it's my plugs, or maybe it's my coils, or I don't know, I'm not sure, but I'll post this up and hopefully someone can figure it out for me. Thanks.